everybody. So I've been telling you guys I'm gonna do a Sephora haul and I haven't done it, and I know since my first video I said I was gonna do it. I do apologize. I did record one and the whole thing got deleted on my laptop and I had edited like hella out. So there's gonna be a second part to this video that'll show me using it. And first things first, I bought Cover FX water-based primer, which you guys have seen me use in my video. I love this. I love how it goes on. It goes on really smooth. It does dry quick, so when you put it on, just, you know, be quick and spreading it out throughout your face. But I like this. I know they have another one. I think it's like the gripper one or something like that, like a grip one, and they're like sold out everywhere. So if you got your hands on that one's supposed to be really good. This one's really good too. I have no complaints. I do have oily skin, but I like mostly how my foundation looks throughout the day. You guys saw what foundation I use already. But yeah, this works really good. I have really oily skin, so it works good. It wasn't like, oh, it dries quick, you know. Next thing I got is the Fenty Beauty Trio sticks, and they look like this, the Trio match sticks. It comes with Trippin', Bamboo, and Mocha. And just so you guys can see, so it comes with those three. I absolutely love these. Like, before I used to just use powder, and like I don't use powder no more. I absolutely love this. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I got the medium, which this one looks like that. This is my nieces and nephews. Background noise, my bad. My window's open, so like, you know, you can hear everything. But yeah, so like I was saying, it does come with the highlighter, but the highlighter is like a coral pinkish color. And then it comes with the concealer, which is Bamboo. As you can see, I do apply the concealer to my forehead, my nose, right here, and I've been using it as concealer because I was using the MAC one, and I fucking love it, you guys. Like, when I tell you I fucking love it, girl, I love it. Like, this shit does not crease. And the Tarte one was creasing. I went to go return that shit because I was like, how the fuck are you gonna sell creaseless concealer and that shit creases? Like, come on. So yeah, I absolutely love this. It doesn't crease under your eyes and it lasts all day. As you can see, it still looks good. So yeah, absolutely love these for contouring. I highly recommend these. Next thing I got was a Laura Mercier translucent powder, which you guys have seen me use too, and I do apply it like forehead, nose, under eyes, and right here. And I absolutely love this. Like, it makes my skin and my foundation look good. Like, I love it. It doesn't come with a sponge. Well, at least for me it didn't. I ordered online at Sephora. I don't know if it gives you the option to come with the sponge. I'm not sure. I just ordered it. But this is what the inside looks like. I honestly use my beauty blender to apply it. But if it came with the sponge, it'd be kind of useful just to get the product out, because it does, with my beauty blender, it does go around the corners. But yeah, I would buy the sponge too, or if you like prefer to use a brush, it's really up to you, you know. I like to apply it with the sponge, with the beauty blender, because I feel like the brush absorbs all of it. I wipe it off with the brush, but I apply it with my beauty blender. So that works really good. And then I got the all-nighter Urban Decay spray, which I highly recommend this if like you're gonna go out and party, or like in the summer. I don't know about you, but in the summer, like, you know how sometimes you sweat and your makeup starts running, or like in general, like if you get oily. I don't use this on a daily. I mostly do it when I do like eyeshadow and everything. That's when I use this. And it's basically like a setting spray. You could use it before or after. I use it after. I don't like using it before. I don't know. I just don't like using it before. I like to use it after. But I do recommend this. Like, it does help your makeup stay longer. So when you go on the website, make sure you get the right one. It's the all-nighter one. And then, girl, I'm not going to show you guys the foundation because you guys already know what foundation I use. I got this Purity, and I've been using it, so if you see it kind of empty a little bit, it's because I've been using it. I got the Purity Philosophy face wash. I like this a lot. The only thing is, if you have dry skin, I would not recommend it. I have really oily skin, so it kind of evens out with my skin. But I was reading the reviews, and I saw that a lot of people were saying that they have dry skin, and that it irritated the shit out of their skin and made it more dry. So if you have dry skin, I wouldn't recommend it, because I could see what they're saying. It didn't dry my skin out, but it wasn't oily. Like, it just wasn't oily. Like, typically when I don't wear makeup, like, I get hella oily still. And yeah, I wasn't getting oily, so I like it. I mean, and what I really, really, really like about it is that it washes all your makeup off. Usually I have to go back in a second time and like do my eyes, or like, you know, because the glue don't come off. The glue is hard to come off of my lashes. I don't know about you girls, but that shit, like, you know, I don't stick them to my lashes, but it runs down to my lashes. So maybe I'm just using too much glue, but I have to use too much glue, because if you notice, my eyes are always tearing and glossy, and right here they get unstuck. So yeah, I've been working on trying not to use so much glue, but I'm still using a lot of glue. So yeah, so I recommend the Purity face wash if you have oily skin. It works really good. So I did go out, I posted on my Instagram that I bought the James Charles palette, and I didn't want to do swatches for you guys, because I'm not about to do that, girl. I just got this. I ain't gonna swatch shit. No, I'm just playing with y'all, but I do want to show you guys the colors. So the reason, this is what it looks like, by the way, and then this is the packaging. It's pretty cool. So yeah, when I went to Ulta, I was looking at all the palettes, and this is the one that caught my eye, and this is what it looks like. And again, sorry for the glare on my glasses. I'm so fucking excited to use this. Like, I have other palettes, but I haven't bought like a Morphe one. They're mostly like Tarte, Urban Decay, shit like that, you know? So the reason I got this palette, you guys, is because it has from neutrals to high pigmented. So as you can see, it has like all the like neutrals, like if you want to do soft glam, and then if you want to do like really pigmented eyeshadow, it has all like really pigmented colors. So I'm pretty excited to use this. I can't wait. It does come with some bronzer, some blush, stuff like that. My tutorial's coming next. So yeah, so I had to turn the camera, and my setup's a bit different there, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon.